welcome to my kitchen. Bienvenidos a mi cocina. Today I'm going to be doing something different today. I'm going to be doing an unboxing, a review of a product. So I received this box from a company that wrote me and said they wanted me to review their product. So I'm going to give an honest opinion of what I think about the product. So, I'm really excited about doing the review for this product because this is something that I've always wanted. Just haven't gotten around to getting one. But when the company reached out to me about reviewing their product, I really was excited to do it. This is the product here. It's a vacuum sealer from Cromify. So I'm going to give an honest opinion on what I think about this product. So I'm going to open it up. So I'm going to be as honest as I can be. So it came with some paperwork. Okay, so I have a 12-month warranty. So if anything goes wrong, there's a number here to call. And this is the manual. It shows you how to use it. It's a quick manual. And what is this? Oh, these are also instructions. And then here's a free product giveaway. Anyway, so that's the paperwork that came with this. And it has a hose here. This hose right here is for canning. If you're gonna do canning, and it goes into this little hole here, like that. And they also sent some bags with a vacuum sealer. There's two sizes. It looks like a medium size and a small size. But this right here is a really long one, and I guess you can cut this to size. So I'll show you how to use it. Okay, so this is a close-up of the vacuum sealer. It has several options to choose from. Let me just take this piece of paper off this side of it so you can see better. As you can see, the words are really bright and big, and you can see them really clearly. So the first button is the canister button, and that button is for if you're going to can fruits in a mason jar. The next to that is the gentle and the normal mode, and that's basically for the power of the suction. And next to that is a dry or moist option. So if you have dry food, you can use that option. And the buttons press really easy, as you can see. They're really light. And then you have the vacuum seal and the seal button and a stop button. Oh, right here is a little button, and that's for if you're going to do the canning. And you have a hose that comes with the machine, and you just put the hose into this part right here, and then you put the other part of the hose into the part for the canning. Now I don't have any mason jars, so I can't show you that, so I apologize that I can't show you that the way that works. I only can show you the way the bags will work. Okay, so I have some chicken that I've taken out the refrigerator that was already in a regular Ziploc bag, and I'm going to transfer it over to their storage bag and vacuum seal it and see how well it seals the bag. Okay, so there's instructions that tells you exactly where to place the bag. It says put one end of the bag flatly down into this area. Okay, so the storage bag is now inside this little groove, and now I'm just going to close the machine up and see how well it vacuum seals. The light comes off. You can lift it up. And then it shows you, see how it seals, and it's nice and tight here. It's nice and sealed here. You see that? So that's my chicken, and it took all the air out. So now I'm gonna do my peppers, and I'm gonna use the longer bag because I have quite a bit of peppers, and you can just cut the bag to the size that you want the bag to be cut. So I'm gonna cut the bag now. So from the instructions, it says that you have to cut the bag straight. So I suppose that's so that you can get a proper seal. So being that both sides are open, I have to seal one end of the bag. Now I'm going to close it and I'm going to press the option that says seal. Okay, so now it release, so we can open it up. And it shows you where it's sealed at. It's sealed, see the line right there? All right, so now I can turn the bag this way and put my peppers in here. So now we're going to place the bag in the little gap again and make sure it's properly placed, and now we're going to close it. All right, so once the lights go off and the sound shuts and this lifts up, you see how this opens up, then you know it's ready. Next, I'm going to do some dry ingredients. I'm going to do my coffee grounds, and I'm going to cut the bag to size. So I'm going to seal one end of the bag so that I can place the coffee in it. Okay, so it's ready. And I'm just going to turn this up like this. I'll pour my coffee. And since I'm doing dry food, I'm going to press the dry mode, and then I'm going to press vac seal. Okay, now it opened up. So now, this is our coffee. So if I had to give this a rating on a scale of 1 to 5, I would give it a 4. And the reason why is that I love the machine. It did everything that it was supposed to do. The only drawback was that it was too loud, but it did everything that it said it would do. And I've always wanted one of these vacuum sealers, and I was able to review one and get one for free. So if you would like to purchase this vacuum sealer, there's a link below in my description, and you can just click on it and it'll lead you right to the website and you can purchase it. It's very inexpensive. So I hope you guys try this out and let me know what you think. And I'll do another review in about a couple of months just to see if it's still working the way it said it's supposed to work, and I'll let you know then how I feel about it. Well guys, I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and let me know what you think about it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Facebook, Diazlelita's Cuban Kitchen. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.